Now the next topic is foreign exchange market. It is a market whereby the different currencies of various nations of different nations can be sold and purchased. Clear? So basically the foreign exchange market is an arrangement whereby the national currencies of different countries in the world can be exchanged, can be transferred. Clear? Here means arrangement wherein the currencies of all the countries are being placed for the purpose of sale and purchase. Now, what are the functions of foreign exchange market? This market offers three types of functions basically. The first is transfer function, second is credit function, and third is hedging function. Clear? Under the transfer function of the foreign exchange market, it transfers the purchasing power. It transfers the purchasing power in terms of foreign currency of different countries. Means if we need to purchase something or if we need to transfer the purchasing power from one country to another, then it can be done by the sale or purchase of foreign currency. Clear? So in this way, by exchanging one currency in terms of another or by converting the one currency in terms of another currency, we are transferring the purchasing power so that that particular country's people can purchase goods in the another country. Clear? So that is the transfer function, means transfer of purchasing power in terms of foreign currency. The next function is credit function. Credit function basically means giving a provision of loan for a short time period for the purpose of trade. Trade means sale and purchase of goods. Like in the general circumstances, when the trade is being taken place, then the buyer and sellers can have a provision of sale and purchase on credit. Similarly, into the foreign international market, when we are doing export and imports, then also there is a provision of taking credit, and that provision of credit is being provided by the foreign exchange market. Means this market also make a provision for the credit for the purpose of export and import between various countries. Clear? The last function and the very important function of the foreign exchange market is hedging function. Basically, first of all, what is hedging? Hedging refers to an act of protection against risk. Means whatever the risk is being faced, if in advance we have taken protection against that risk, then that process is known as hedging. So what is hedging function, or what is the risk which can be protected in the foreign exchange market? This is the risk of change in the exchange rate. We know that flexible exchange rate generally vary due to the forces of demand and supply, and that variation can cause loss to any of the party in dealing with export or import. Clear? So basically, this hedging function of foreign exchange market provides a protection against that risk related with the change in the foreign exchange rate. Means if the rate increases or decreases, then that risk is being protected by the hedging function of the market. And how it can be done? The parties which are converting the one currency into another currency, they can have a provision or they can have a contract that we will follow this particular rate even in the future period of time. Whatever the contract they are having, the rate they will be fixing, whatever the rate is being fixed, they will predetermine that this particular rate of exchange we will follow. This is known as protection against the risk of change into the foreign exchange rate. Means whatever the change will take place into future, that will not going to impact their contract. Clear? So this is the hedging function which is also being provided by the foreign exchange market. So what is a foreign exchange market? Will remind that what is a foreign exchange market? Foreign exchange refers to the market for national currencies of different countries in the world. There are basically three functions of foreign exchange market. First is transfer function, whereby the purchasing power is being transferred in terms of foreign currencies. Second is credit function, where the provision of credit is being made into this market for the purpose of import and export of goods between various nations. And hedging functions means protection against the risk related to the change in the exchange rate by getting into a contract that the rate will not be influenced even in the future rate. Clear? So these are the functions of foreign exchange market.